In this video, I will show you how to ensure your phone number is listed next to your name on your active listing. First, click on Preferences. Then, click on System. Go to the left and click on Result Options. Scroll down just a tad and make sure that button that says Display this phone number in reports that contain the agent name is checked off. When you're done, click on Save. And now you know how to make sure your phone number will appear next to your name on your active listings. If you have any questions, please contact tech support at 925-730-7100. Thank you.